Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a full face tutorial and we're doing a spooky and dark smoky eye with a dark lip. So if you want to see this look that's perfect for fall, then keep on watching. Okay guys, we're going to start off with some foundation. So I have the NARS Creamy Radiant Foundation and this is the lightest shade because it's almost winter and we're going into our winter shades and I'm very pale. So this foundation is probably a little too light for me, but that's okay because this is a spooky fall look, so we might as well just look a little bit dead. Okay, and now we're just gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just really focus that on the bags under your eyes. And we're just blending all of this out with a beauty blender that I did not dampen because my community bathroom in my dorm hall is too far away for me to get up and walk to it. Okay, now we're going to set the face using some Fit Me Loose powder, and this is in the color 10, which is supposedly fair light, but it's honestly probably too dark for my skin. But at least we don't have to worry about our powder flashing back. I honestly don't need this much powder because my skin is already dry and the winter just makes it even more dry, so powder isn't really necessary all over the face, but we do it anyways. And I know that we talked about how pale and dead we're trying to look this winter, but I'm actually going to take some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and add some contour back into my face. Okay, now we're going to attempt to contour my nose using the same bronzer. Honestly, I blended out so hard that you can't even really tell that I did anything. But the effort was there. Okay, and because our skin is so pale, that contour was pretty harsh, so I'm taking the same beauty blender, and it probably has some foundation left over on it, and I'm just gonna go over everything that I bronzed so that I don't look like I don't know how to apply makeup. Okay, now I'm going to go in with blush, and most people use blush to bring color back into their cheeks after foundation, but I didn't have any color in my cheeks to begin with, so we're just gonna add a lot of it and blend it back into my contour just to give the appearance that we have been walking 30 minutes to our class in Western Massachusetts snow and our cheeks have a little flush to them. We can also add some blush to my nose just to give it that winter common cold vibe. The red nose. Okay, great. Now I'm going to take some Fenty highlighter and just really go for it on my cheekbones and my temples. We're just doing this to make my skin look dewy, even though, like I said, it's super dry. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to do my brows with the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in the color Brunette. Okay, I'm going to stop there before I make my eyebrows way too thick and try to duplicate this shape onto my other eyebrow. Okay, I think that's as good as we're going to get, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. Okay, so we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette and go into the color Eccentric and just blend that into the crease using a fluffy brush. We're really gonna smoke that out up towards my brows. Now we're going to take the color Volatile, which is a dark matte brown, and just apply that to the outer corner and deepen up the crease. Focusing mainly on the outer portion of the crease. We don't want to go too close to my nose. Okay, now we're going to take the packing side of the brush that comes with the palette and dip into Passion, which is a dark burgundy, and pack that on the lid. And then with the blending brush, just blend out those edges just to make sure it looks very smoky. Okay, and now I'm going to take the color Dazzling on my finger and just press that into the center. Okay, now I'm going to take the same colors, Passion and Volatile, and just smoke out my lower lash line. And then take a blending brush and blend that out. Okay, now I'm taking a warm brown eyeliner and putting that into my waterline. Okay, now I'm taking a black matte shadow on a angled brush. I'm using the black truffle eyeshadow from the Huda Rose Gold Beauty eye palette, and I'm just going to make a smoky eyeliner. So starting just on the lash line, I'm pushing this black in, and I'm going to make a wing, and then I'm going to take some black underneath my eye as well. Just really close to the lash line on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to finish the other eye off camera and then apply some mascara. Okay, and now using the color Dreamer, we're just going to highlight the inner corners. And a little bit under my brow bone. Okay, and now to finish up the look, we're going to apply a dark lip. So I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Vintage. Okay, and this look is complete. If you want to recreate this look, definitely give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.